You can learn pretty much anything on YouTube, woodworking included. And we love to support our fellow wood and DIY enthusiasts, so in this video, we are sharing 30, yes 30 of our favorite woodworking channels in no particular order. Whether you want to learn DIY tips, woodworking tips, or just find entertainment and inspiration, then this video is for you. Also, all of the channels I mentioned are linked below in the description. Let's get started. The first channel is the Wood Whisperer. Mark from the Wood Whisperer makes great videos that are helpful resources for people at all stages of their woodworking journey. If you're just getting started, his Don't Make These Lumber Mistakes videos is so handy and even talks about the importance of wood acclimation featuring a handy Wagner Meters pinless moisture meter. Definitely check out this channel. Channel number 2 is April Wilkerson. April Wilkerson's channel is a goldmine for anyone who already loves or who wants to learn the craft of DIY wood projects. Tables, barn doors, outdoor furniture, fire pits, etc., etc., etc. This channel has it all. And every project and video is filmed with unmatched enthusiasm. The third channel is Blacktail Studio. If you want to watch someone make stunning salvage wood and epoxy tables and desks, Blacktail Studio is the channel for you. The channel features stunning one-of-a-kind pieces in a format that is both great for entertainment and education. Channel number 4 is Matthew Cremona. Matthew Cremona's channel is all about starting with the tree and documenting the process from trunk to plank to project. He also has a playlist full of techniques, which is super handy no matter how advanced you are. The fifth channel is Woodworking Web. Woodworking Web is a great channel if you're looking for a breadth of information about woodworking. Perhaps one of the most notable types of videos on this channel is his subscriber tips series, in which subscribers submit tips and he highlights the best ones. Number 6 is Fix This, Build That. Fix This, Build That feels like the one-stop shop for DIY projects and information. From restoring playsets to installing vinyl plank flooring to plywood buying guides. Fix This, Build That uploads truly helpful content with a charisma that keeps viewers engaged and coming back for more. Next is the Awesome Orange. Sadie from the Awesome Orange offers easy to follow and informative videos to create truly beautiful pieces. Featuring IKEA hacks, a covered patio build, and installing laminate flooring, Sadie's channel is perfect for anyone wanting to add some DIY flair to their home. Number 8, we have Jay Bates. Jay Bates is also a great channel for DIYers. Jay Bates offers a plethora of projects, from workhorses and giant clocks to stunning French cleat pocket door drill charging stations. Jay Bates has something for everyone. The 9th channel is the Samurai Carpenter. The Samurai Carpenter has a fascinating channel that's not only educational, but just plain cool to watch. Many of his projects and videos revolve around building a full cabin. Things like building wood windows, carving wood sinks, and installing shiplap walls are just a few of the examples of the cool stuff on this channel. Channel number 10 is the Essential Craftsman. This channel definitely lives up to its name. It is essential. The Essential Craftsman paints himself as the craftsman grandpa that everyone needs. He covers blacksmithing, construction, tools and equipment, and many other tips to get you looking like a pro in the workshop. Number 11 is Fine Woodworking. This is a great place for those wanting to perfect their craft, offering master classes on woodworking details like dovetailing and turning knobs and fitting drawers. Fine Woodworking's work is quality and detail-oriented. For number 12, we have Canadian Woodworks. Canadian Woodworks has some great ongoing series on their channel, like Tool Tuesday and Slabber Day Saturday. They even review a Wagner moisture meter on one of their Tool Tuesday videos. That's our kind of channel. Number 13 is Frank Howarth. Frank Howarth's channel offers visually stunning and super detailed work. whether it's a small project like a bowl or a large project like a closet shelving system. Frank's work looks pristine and high quality. This is a great channel for project inspiration. Next is John Peters from Longview Woodworking. John Peters' channel offers everything you need to begin woodworking. As a professional woodworker and cabinet maker, he has the credibility and experience to teach you to build stunning and professional grade pieces. Definitely check it out if you can. Channel 15 is John from iBuildit. John has a different direction on woodworking. Instead of projects like tables, chairs, and cabinets, he actually makes the woodworking tools themselves. John makes woodworking vices, router tables, and sanders. There is a lot of variety worth exploring on this channel. Channel 16 is Matthias Wandel. This channel is all about the engineering perspective on woodworking. He also makes great nightstands, chairs, and workbenches. You can definitely earn a lot on this channel. Next, we have GarageWorks. If you're looking for practical solutions for common furniture problems, you've come to the right place. From getting rid of a wobble to build-throughs of beds, bookcases, coat racks, and wine hutches, this channel is great for project-based learning. Number 18 is Jimmy Deresta. This channel is full of variety. There are fun restoration videos featuring an old Chevy truck, as well as some cool woodworking projects. Channel 19 is Steve Ramsey. Steve's channel is awesome for someone who is just starting out. He has a playlist for common mistakes and answers common questions like what kind of finish to use. It's super handy. Next is I Like to Make Stuff. Bob from I Like to Make Stuff lives up to his channel name. He makes all kinds of stuff from Lego brick sorters to stair railing and everything in between. For people just starting out with DIY projects, he makes a playlist called Maker 101, which provides an overview of tools and techniques. Channel 21 is Make Something. This channel showcases stunning craftsmanship. David from Make Something teaches subscribers how to make cutting boards from scraps and stunning furniture, like his upholstered footstool. Channel 22 is Darren Orvar. Darren Orvar's channel has so much to offer. She gives viewers insights into her life by offering shop tours and letting them into her process of building this teardrop trailer. Her video style is both personal and informative. Next is Chris Salamone. This channel nicely combines Chris's passion for design with practicality. His work is sleek, modern, and attractive. If you have a knack for design or love the potential of designing, this channel is a great place to gather inspiration. Channel 24, Get Hands Dirty, is all about exactly that, getting your hands dirty. Christina's channel boasts an insane volume of project. Her channel features outdoor chairs, floating shelves, extendable dining tables, and more. Channel number 25 is Ishitana Furniture. Ishitana Furniture impeccably combines the craft of woodworking with a stunning, minimalist, modern aesthetic. The furniture featured on this channel is the result of hard work and careful craftsmanship. The videos are crafted in such a way that the sounds of woodworking are highlighted, making for a calming and inspiring watching experience. Next is Curtwood. Kevin from Curtwood is a professional woodworker who uses his channel as a creative outlet. He makes stunning architectural pieces with intricate detail. This is definitely a great channel for inspiration and just being in awe of his work. Coming in at 27 is Izzy Swan. Izzy Swan's channel features all kinds of cool woodworking projects, including some pretty self-described wild contraptions. He offers tips on saving money on tools as well as tool reviews. Number 28 is Andy Rawls. Andy's channel exhibits a passion for building furniture, and you can tell by watching that he truly enjoys the craft. Some featured projects are making a crossbow from an old bourbon barrel, making curved table legs, and building a custom bed for his Airstream. Next is Matthias Hornberger. Matthias Hornberger's channel is all about an engineer who enjoys woodworking and especially making tools for woodworking. He has a video about his homemade wooden bandsaw, building a circle jig, and more projects like those. And last but not least is This Woodwork. Alex Harris of This Woodwork wants his channel to show people that anyone can get involved in woodworking if they would like to. Whether you want to learn more about woodworking or just want to watch somebody make something beautiful, this channel is for you. And that's it. All 30 channels and only 60,000 outtakes. With these wonderful resources, you'll be able to find all kinds of ideas, tips, tricks, moisture meter reviews, and inspiration for your next woodworking project. I am Jason Spangler from Wagner Meters, and thank you so much for watching. Now, on to the woodshop.